everybody, today we're in a Dodge Durango. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip angled mount number 855909. Before we get started, we do want to mention you always want to install the mount onto the dash before you screw anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is going to attach into two different seams, basically right under the screen here. The first seam is here between this bigger chunk of the dash and this smaller soft piece that runs underneath the screen here, so right in there. The second seam is going to be down here between this same piece of the dash and where it meets all the climate controls underneath. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take the included gap openers. First one, we're going to kind of line up with the edge of the screen here. We're going to insert it into this seam, and you want to really get it in there because we do need this seam to be opened up. I'm going to use the mount as kind of a guide for where to put my second one. That's going to go on this side. There we go. Now this seam is opened up. We're going to take this upper angled edge and we're going to work it into that seam. Now because this mount is pretty tight, you need to be very, very careful that you don't scrape your leather with the bottom lip as we're inserting the top lip. So the easiest way to do that is to basically start on one side. We're going to insert the right side first, basically the corner, and we're going to slowly work it down into that seam. So there we go. We got the corner in. Now I'm using my fingers to make sure that bottom lip doesn't scrape the leather underneath. And we push down with our fingers on the faceplate until, there we go. Now we're all the way in that upper seam. We can pull these gap openers out. And now we need to transfer them to the lower seam. So again, on the right and the left. Now we basically have to rotate the mount down and get that bottom lip up into that seam we just opened up. There we go. You can remove the gap openers. And now we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.